I'm here. I'm here now, the house of Shane. And this is the outside of Shane house. I'm going to inside of house of Shane. Ay, day. Shane. Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo. This is our kitchen. We're done repairing the roof. Then we already have a new kitchen. We're going to the bathroom. We're going to the bathroom, which is also done repairing. We have a new bathroom, also a new CR.
This is the new bathroom. This is the wow. Nami tubig ati?
No, we don't have.
They don't have.
We don't have water. Just we're just renting the water.
Renting.
We also have light, electric. We have electric, but we don't have water. We're going inside.
Ako ipanud.
At the back.
This is the back of house of Shane.
The back. The back of our house. Then side part of our house.
Side part. Balik ta sod ati. Ara lang. Balik ta. Yan yung washing day.
Dili.
Aw.
Dili na siya. This is not ours. Renting.
Renting. Agi so day.
Let's go.
Using. Ano na dire? Sa imong mother day. And this is the room.
This is
The room of
my bedroom.
Father and mother of Shane.
My parents' bedroom.
My parents. Galing mo matulti. Mother of Father Shane were sleeping here
Together.
together. They have a ceiling fan. Yeah. This is the room, new room of Shane. They have a ceiling fan. Saying a bed?
Yes.
A bed of Shane. This is the window. Balik kay gyapon din. This is the mother of Shay and Shay.
Igong Dolinim. Kamsamida.
Thank you.
Thank you for all your support. We will appreciate it.
Igong Dulanim, Kamsamida.
Igong Dolinim. Kamsamida.